I'm just doing a quick demo here, or install guide. So I wrote this script for text-to-speech. And so just go to this repository here, triple click, copy it to your clipboard, add a new page, a new bookmark. This should work in Firefox as well. There might be a couple bugs, but and then paste in the code here, click save, and then we'll run it. Quick test here. I'm going to adjust the speed.
Lisa Lehrer is a reporter based in Washington, covering campaigns, elections, and political power. Before joining the Times, she reported on national politics and the 2016 presidential race for the Associated Press. @Lehrer.
And that's it. All right, I'm going to be done for a while.